Hey man, do you want to go to the bar? Hey dude, I know you got homework right now, but let's go out. Hey man, I know we're completely broke, but let's take a giant vacation all the way to California. Hey man, let me rob you of your future self. So in this video today, these are all, kind of exaggerations just for humor here because, I think everyone should, have friends in their lives or people that they lean on. We're a social species. However, common thing I see nowadays, especially the people in my age, is the people that are in their friend group are specifically holding them back from reaching their goals. And then in this video, we're going to explain why. Video, I want you guys to smash that thing harder than this guy getting hit by this pitch. Alright, so the number one reason that your friends are keeping you broke is because they are still doing the same things that they used to do when you were younger, alright? As you age, you need to find newer things to do, okay? The same friends that you went out to the bar with when you were in college are probably not going to be the same friends that you're going to have in your adult life. Studies show this, that a lot of times people don't really keep their college friends that much. Maybe they're people they talk to some of the times during the day, but they're not people that they consistently talk to all the time after college. Now, the caveat with this is if people are aligned, both people are doing the same things, then those people will be in their lives for longer. But the problem becomes when people keep these friends that are not aligned with them and they're just dragging one down. Example of this is if someone wants to be an entrepreneur or they are going to start their own business, and then one of the friends that they has is just, completely telling this person to not do that and come out with them, and then you're going to be spending more time doing the thing that you shouldn't be doing rather than the thing that you need to be doing to propel yourself upwards. Now, another thing that I see all the time, and this has happened to me a lot of times, are friends that get resentful over what you have. So if you make a major change in your life and someone that's in your friend group is sort of, they're distancing themselves from you, they don't really like when you talk about that thing, that thing that is a very, positive impact in your life. And if it isn't, in some way affecting them positively, they won't be happy for you for it. And you need to get these people out of your life because they're only going to drag you down. Also, from a time standpoint, you only get so much time here. And me personally, I don't hang out with friends that much, not because I don't like the people that I surround myself with, but just because I prioritize my time in a way that I'm going to work. Because if you work your ass off in your 20s, you won't have to do too much in your 30s and 40s. I've seen this time and time again from the people I follow. They sacrificed it all in their 20s, and then in 30s and 40s, they are free. And to me, that is completely worth it rather than spending all my time at either like bars, places that don't make sense, with people that I'm only, moderately friends with. Now, the people that I am the closest with are honestly the people that I work with nowadays, because they're the people that I always bounce ideas off of. I'm talking to them by default because I'm always, working with them. We have the same interests. We're very similar. And I wanted to tell a story, because I'm a medical sales rep. So the first time when I went down to Florida for a national sales meeting, I was talking to all these people and I'm like, wow, I'm really aligned with this group of people. And I've never felt that way before in any type of work environment. Like, these people are motivated, they want to earn money similar as me, and they want to, better their future. And I just never been around like a group of people that was that motivated like these people were, so you need to surround yourself with people that are going to align with your goals and get you up to the top. Because then when that's the case, you're not going to have any potholes in your friendship. It's going to be like you guys are both all aligned on the same values, and then you can just take that friendship to a point where it benefits both people mutually. Now, what I'm not saying is to go and drop all of your friends if they're not aligned with you completely. The majority of people really need friends like that, but I'm talking about if you want to become, part of the 1% and influence your life in a way that others aren't, you by default have to do things that others are not willing to do. And that's something that I have done. I don't talk to people nearly as much. I'm working all the time, but I know that this is something for me that is going to benefit me down the line and something that I know I want to do. All right, guys, I know I have a whole bunch of videos in this arsenal over here. Please go nitpick through them. Leave me a comment down below and have a good day.